Hello everyone, today we are going to make the project white line follower. So let us see the components required. We need a chassis board, 2 DC motor, caster wheel, some nut and bolt, motor driver board, 2 wheels, 2 IR sensor, voltage regulator, breadboard, battery connector and some jumper wires. So let us do the connections now. We have connected the motor driver, the 2 DC motor, caster wheel and the 2 wheels to the chassis board as we have shown in the assembly video. So first of all, let us place the breadboard on the chassis. Then we will place the voltage regulator on the breadboard. Now in this project we have to place the IR sensor in this way such that the IR sensor points downward. So to connect the IR sensor, either you can use a screw to connect through this hole or you can use a double tape also. We have placed the IR sensors. Now we will take some male to female jumper wires and connect them to the VCC pin of the IR sensor and connect the other terminal of the wire to the output pin of the voltage regulator. Now connect the ground pin of the IR sensor to the ground pin of the voltage regulator. The middle pin of the voltage regulator is the ground pin. Now connect the output pin of the IR sensor to the motor pin. For that we will take 2 female to female jumper wire, connect them to the output pin of the IR sensor and the other terminal to the motor driver. So I am connecting this IR sensor to the pin B2 of the motor driver and the output pin of the left side IR sensor to the A2 pin. Take the battery snapper, connect these 2 terminals to the motor driver and other 2 terminals to the breadboard. So we have connected the battery to the breadboard also. Now since both the IR sensor is on the table and it is detecting object, so the motors are not running. So here what we will do is, for the white line follower we will use a black surface where there will be a white color track. Both the IR sensor, when they will be on the black surface, it will not detect object and both the motors will start moving, hence the bot will start following the track. As soon as one of the IR sensor will come on the white surface, it will detect object and the motor will stop. So in that scenario the other motor will rotate and the bot will again come to the track, and when both the sensors are on the white surface, the sensor will detect the object and both the motor will stop. Now we will check the output on the track. Now we will show you the output. Thank you.